Hey y'all, so it's your faith curly girl here. I just got off work and I was like, well, I'm tired of wearing this bun, so I'm going to wash my hair and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm back. Just washed my hair. We're gonna excuse the fact that I look like Coolio right now, but I did an Instagram poll and I was like, well, what do you guys want to see on my channel? So mostly everybody picked a perm rod set, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So this is my hair, legit like fresh out the shower, like still growing. It's grown a lot since my last video. That's weird. So what products I'm going to be using today is this dry a little bit before I come and do these rods, and then after I do my rods I'm probably gonna sit under the dryer for about an hour or two before I go to sleep for the night, and then I'll come back in the morning and take the rods out. So I've let my hair dry a little bit, I guess, probably not, but it's fine because I'm just gonna sit under the dryer anyway. Actually, I could go out like this. I wouldn't though, but whatever. So I'm gonna use a combination of pink perm rods, the orange perm rods, white perm rods for the front around my face, and then the cream perm rods. So I always use 4 different ones. Only reason being is because like the middle of my hair, I like for my curls to be a little bit big, and then around like the nape of my neck, I like for them to be nice and tight. And then the cream one is just a size down from the orange. And then the front of my face, I don't really like for my curls to be like super big or super long, so I like to roll them really small around the front of my face. So what I've also learned as I've done perm rods is that you need to use a comb, because you don't want your parts or your curls to be doing all kinds of weird stuff. So I use a rat tail comb as I'm styling because it makes it easier on me. As far as like the takedown process, and for, you know, just so my curls are evenly sized. So if you see me looking this way a whole lot, I have a mirror over here and it helps me to see. So what I do, I try to make like a triangular part. First. And then I clip out the way that section. And then I split that section down the middle. Because another thing you don't want is to use a section that's way too big. So the other piece of hair that I clipped out the way. Another thing that I also do, I use my dimming brush to make sure that the section is detangled and so my curls come out really nice and smooth. I caught the nap in the nape of my neck. So I do one pump, about that much per section. Another secret I found is if you take a rat tail comb and comb through the section too, that helps with the tangles that are in the hair. Alright, I use this for my ends. And this is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Aid Moisture Butter. So, I literally take like that much and just put it on my ends to make sure that they stay. And just so they don't look dry after I take my rods out. So, how I take my rod, take the ends of it and twirl the ends of my hair around, and I pull tight. I do one roll and then I do this, so it'll look kind of like a corkscrew. And I roll it tight to my head and then I'll just clip it, and that's it. And that's basically it. Like, I do these all the way around my head, so yeah. Finally finished rolling. I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer attachment for my blow dryer, and then I'm going to sleep. So good night. Hey y'all, so it is the next morning. I have sat under the dryer a couple of times today. And last night I did an hour. Last night I did a half an hour, And then I did 10 minutes of like a hot shot. I'm gonna show y'all how I take these rods out. I'm gonna be, well, Silk Elements Pure Avocado. So, and the way I take them out, you take them out in the direction that you rolled them. And separate where it naturally wants to, and then I twirl it. So this is the finished look of my perm rod set. I think I only had like one curl that wasn't completely dry, but overall I'm like really satisfied with how it came out. I'm probably gonna fluff it out after I get dressed because it's a little flat, and I'm also gonna lay my edges. So I'm gonna take my pick and like fluff out a little bit. So this is the finished look. If you'd like to see more of my different hairstyles that I'm gonna create in the future, comment down below and tell me what you would like to see. As always, it's your fave curly girl. Bye.